Hey guys, it's Camperbeast. Today we are going to do a dyno run. Basically, Ducati has a kind of a generic built-in dyno system to where you can switch your modes around from sport, touring, enduro, and urban. And in those four modes you have three different motor settings. Well, originally I thought that you automatically switched to the 100 horsepower rating when you went in enduro. That's not true. You have to actually go in and set it up in low. So I wanted to put this theory through to the test. All right, we're gonna go out on a ride and I'm gonna go through each one. So we're gonna do it in third gear, pulls, top speed. I'm gonna try to hit the rev limiter depending on where I'm at and if the private roads that I'm on, there's low traffic, because, I don't want to be around getting in trouble. So we found a nice private area to do it. But anyways, I'm gonna do a third gear pull, right around 5,000 RPM, should be right about 50 miles an hour, and just nail it in each one of the modes. And see where the horsepower rating is on the Ducati cam. So if you go into the dashboard, once it's connected to the bike, it'll give me horsepower, acceleration. This is when I did it in sport mode. I was full power, 147 miles an hour, and it gave me 150 horsepower at 95 RPMs. Now again, this was on a private road somewhere, so I know where it's at on sport mode. Now we're gonna go do touring mode, enduro, and urban, and see what the different settings are, and even maybe try at least one low setting on the motor controls. Freaking beautiful day today. Holy moly, it's nice out. So we're gonna go down to touring. We're gonna press and hold that. And now we are in touring mode. All right, we're gonna try to do this in third gear on each one. So it's a nice even pull, same thing, see if we get the same top speed, same RPMs. I'm gonna try to just touch the limiter if I can. I don't know, we're gonna play with it and see. Wow, the throttle's so much smoother when you go into touring mode. Because I've been riding at we just got back on a group ride for Eurocycles, and I had it on sport mode all weekend, so having this on touring mode is kind of interesting. All right, so we're at 5 horsepower, no G's, third gear at 4,500 RPMs. All right, starting up a little high. We're right around 6,000 RPM. Ooh, 150 horsepower, 101 miles an hour, 9,300 RPMs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch this to riding mode. We're gonna go into enduro, and we're gonna put the engine on low. Okay, start this bitch over, and we're gonna see what happens now. Let's see if it castrates this motor. That's fast enough. 97 horsepower, there we go. At 9,200 RPMs, we did 100 miles an hour. Cool. Okay, so that's the deal. You got to put it in low. Low takes it down below 100 horsepower. I bet you if I would have stretched that out, we probably could have got 100 horsepower out of this thing. Damn, that was fun. I love doing shit like that. Not too crazy. 100, 110, 100. That's nothing on a bike. I mean, I did that in probably 4 seconds, 5 seconds. I mean, honestly, I might be able to even tell how fast I did it. Actually, a lot of fun. I'm going to do more and more videos like that. And being able to see the different settings and how the different ride modes. I like to put it in medium. I didn't do that. I apologize for not doing that. I need to put it in medium to see where the horsepower is. I know in high you get the 150. This medium, where does that put it at? So that's going to be next. We'll go back out and try the medium part. But at least now, when I do want to put it in enduro mode, and if I want to bring the horsepower down, I need to put that setting down on low. I wasn't sure on that. I'm going to thank you guys for watching. And please hit the like button, subscribe, and my goal is try to get to 500 subscribers. And I'm gonna try to do better content, funner stuff, more top speed stuff, more power stuff, and so more to come. Thanks for watching.